Hello. Today I'm gonna have a new video unboxing new product. Hello. I'm gonna have one new item to unbox today. As you can see right now, nothing fancy, just regular boxes. See what we have. Check it out. Scrolling through the mail. Boom, 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 boom. Oh shit. Look at this, so cool. My Airpod? My new Airpod. Oh my god, look at this. It's crazy, huh? Let's see. Okay, so just come with this. Cable charger. That's it, nothing else. Nothing else fancy about this. Okay. Let's test this out. So it looks just like Airpod, exactly. Just like a bigger version of Airpod. So big. And speaker. So this they have a charger, on and off button, memory card slot, USB charger, USB, no, not USB charger. This is the charger. This is the USB player. You can play a USB flash drive from it and an SD card. So let's try it out. Turn it on. See how this thing sound. Okay. Wow. USB. We have music in here. Let's try.
Play by USB drive. Bluetooth mode.
Work? Oh no. It's USB is not good. Try that one.
Play by USB drive. Bluetooth mode.
No. Try Bluetooth. Like that. Let's play some music.
There's a beauty that guides us like a fire in the night as the sun shines upon each new day. There's a beauty that guides us like a fire in the night.
It's not a secret I try to hide. I know you want me, so don't keep saying our hands are tied. You claim it's not in the cards, but fate's pulling you miles away, out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide that you're my destiny? What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. So why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world could be ours tonight.
You think it's easy? You think I don't wanna run to you? But there are mountains, and there are doors that we can't walk through. I know you're wondering why, because we're able to be just you and me within these walls. But when
Okay, sound not bad. Sound is pretty good. I mean, not the best sound, but the sound is okay. For I think it's just this thing is just cool. You carry around, people are gonna be like, "What the heck is this?" You know. I think it's pretty cool. So I mean, it's a speaker. It's an Airpod speaker. So if you carry this with you around, people are gonna ask you. This one very interesting. Okay. Yep. And this have a few functions, so you can play USB flash drive, you can play memory card, basically USB flash drive, memory card, it's a charger, this is an on and off button. And then they have a mode, so you can have volume up, volume down, pause and play next song, forward, backward, and then they have the mode.
Bluetooth mode.
So they have Bluetooth
FM
mode,
mode.
FM radio. Yep.
AUX mode.
And you can play with aux.
Bluetooth mode.
Yep, there's a few modes that you can play with it, and they come with the cable, so this can charge and also can do aux from to your phone from this speaker also. Okay, and yep, that's all I have for today. I want to share with you the new speaker I just got today. And okay, see you next one. See you next time. Bye bye.